Welcome to lesson 5.7, and today we're going to be working with adding mixed numbers and adding improper fractions. And our question today is, how is adding mixed numbers and improper fractions similar to adding with regrouping? Give me a second here and I will type that up. Now, fifth graders, just to remind you, regrouping is when something adds up to greater than 9, so like 6 plus 4 is 10, you write down the 0, and then carry the 1. That's what regrouping is, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. But first, we have a little bit of review. And the first part of our review is going to be mixed numbers, and then we're going to convert those to improper fractions. And then the second part of our review is going to be improper fractions, and then we're going to convert those to mixed numbers. So two different things, and we're going to have 3 problems here. So we'll look at those, and then yeah. So give me a second and I will write you 3 problems. Your first problem, ladies and gentlemen, is 4. Well, I need my writing instrument, don't I? 4 and 1/8. And again, we want that as a mixed number. Problem number 2 is 6 and 3/4. And your last one is 8 and 4/9. And in terms of going from improper fraction to a mixed number, again, mixed number, improper fraction, we're looking at 5 and 1/3. We're looking at 21 over 2. And finally, we're looking at 36 over 6. So why don't you take some time, boys and girls, and why don't you work these problems? When you are done, you should restart the video and check and see how you did. Although I don't know if I told you to pause the video. Pause the video, work the problems, and then when you're done, restart the video and check and see how you did. Alright, good luck. Hopefully you remember from yesterday. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you've taken your time and worked through these 6 problems that are review. Now, if you're having problems with this review, please talk to Mr. Winkleman, talk to an adult, talk to another classmate who understands this to really fully understand this. Alright, so let's work through this here. Now, we have 4 and 1/8. The first thing I always do is I draw my half circle. And I go whoop, and then I have a multiplication, and then I add my addition symbol. And now I'm just going to go around the half circle. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 is 33. And what language are we talking? We're talking the language of ACE. Alright. Next one, we're going to switch colors for this because we can. We're going to draw a half circle, whoop, and then I'm going to add my multiplication symbol and my addition symbol. Now let's go around. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 27, and what language? The language of fourths, so 27 fourths. Now one more change of color here. 8 and 4/9, we want that as an improper fraction. Whoop. We're going to add our multiplication symbol and our addition symbol. Let's walk along our circle. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 4. 72 plus 4 is 76. All over what's our language? Our language is ninths. So that's the first one. Alright, now going from improper fractions to mixed numbers, first thing we do is 5 over 3. We ask ourselves, how many 3's can I take out of 5? Well, if I go 3, 6, 6 is too many, so I'm going to have 1, and then I'm going to have 5 minus 3 is 2 2/3. Now, if you want, boys and girls, you can look at it like this. 5 divided by 3 is 1, 3, 2, subtract 2, and then you put that over 3. Or if you want, you can look at it like this. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. So that's 5/3. Notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add them all together, you get 5/3. And then what I can do is I can take these right here, and I can take those out because they are going to equal 1. So notice, 3 different ways of doing that, and I should probably say these together will give me 2/3. So 3 different ways of doing the problem, all of which will get us to the same answer. Now, I'm just going to say, do it this way. How many 2's can I take out of 21? Well, I can go 2, and now you can't see me, but with my fingers I'm also counting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and then 22 is too big, but I had 10 fingers up, and then I had 20, so 21 minus 20 is 1, I got 1/2. And our final problem, 36 6. How many 6's can I take out of 36? Well, I'm going to skip count here. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Oh, that's spot on. And there were 6 of them. And you know what? There is absolutely no fraction with that one. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you did well on these problems. If not, check and see where you made your errors. And if you still don't understand, please talk to Mr. Winkleman and check and see if he can help you. Alright, that's the end of video 1.